Good morning, my beautiful people. I want to show you how to make strong app for your newborn baby, so it's going to be healthy. So just keep watching. So this is the app. So I want to cut it little by little. So we call this eru. So we are going to put it at the down of the pot before I pour this into it. So if it is a baby girl, we are going to put 7, and if it's a baby boy, we are going to put 9. So follow me and 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's because he's a male, so that is why I made it 9. Fire. Set my wood, my firewood. So keep watching. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel and share for your family and friends. Bye bye.